Hi, my name is HAZIM Gaber, and today we're going to continue learning about Microsoft Excel formats. So, we've already covered how to format numbers, dates, accounting, and currency. Now we're going to look at time. So, time is closely related to date because you can have a time format within a date value. You cannot have a date format within a time value. But the reason it's necessary or important to use time is because we can later write a formula to say, Excel, tell me how many minutes or tell me how many seconds there are between this date and this date. So, or between this date and time and this date and time. So, timing has less formats than date, but it's essentially the same thing. So I've set all these to time. So let's say I type in 1:30. Excel automatically recognizes this as 1:30 a.m. If I go 1:30 p.m., Excel breaks. So you have to put a space between 1 and 30. And so notice this is set to a 24-hour clock. So I typed in 1:30 p.m. That's my value. Excel's default value is AM or PM. It's actually not a 24-hour clock. So if I put 1400 hours, for example, Excel is not recording that as 1400 hours. If you look at the bar up here, it's recording it as 2 p.m. So we can always go back, format this to p.m. and now we got 2 p.m. We can also change the if we want to show, we don't want to show seconds, so we can change it to 2 p.m. solid. But you'll notice the seconds value is actually stored in the cell even if it's not displayed. So we can always go back to format and change it, and now we've got 2 and 1 second. So the timing changes depending on the locale. You can choose a locale. So if you're, say, in a French-speaking area, then you've got different options. So in French, they use the H per hour, and so this is 14H00, which is almost the same. If you've got any questions, please post a comment, and we'll answer it in the next video.